Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily charge your Nissan Leaf. First, familiarize yourself with the three primary charging levels: Level 1, Level 2, and DC fast charging. Your Leaf has two charging ports located conveniently on the front of the vehicle, usually behind a small door. Always ensure your charging cable is securely connected and compatible with the station you are using for a safe and efficient charge. Level 1 charging is the slowest, using a standard 120-volt household outlet, often taking up to 20 hours for a full charge on a 40 kilowatt-hour battery. Level 2 charging is much faster, utilizing a 240-volt source, either at home with a dedicated charger or at public stations. This level can fully charge a 40 kilowatt-hour battery in approximately 7 hours, making it ideal for overnight charging. For the fastest charging experience, utilize DC fast charging, also known as Level 3. This method can replenish a 40 kilowatt-hour battery from 20% to 80% in roughly 40 minutes. You'll use the larger CHAdeMO port, which is separate from the standard AC charging port. Remember to always verify the availability and compatibility of DC fast charging stations before you embark on longer journeys. To maximize your Nissan Leaf battery life, it's best to charge regularly and avoid letting the battery consistently drop below 20% or charge above 80% for daily use. Take advantage of your vehicle's scheduled charging features to charge during off-peak hours, which can save you money on electricity. Always ensure your charging cable is fully inserted and locked to prevent any interruptions during the charging process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.